This is a video walkthrough tour of 4398 West Janie Street in Santan Valley, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Santan Valley, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Santan Valley. Welcome to this spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, offering modern style, comfort, and a bright open floor plan. Tile flooring runs through all the main living areas, while ceiling fans in every bedroom provide added comfort year-round. Designed for everyday living and entertaining, this home features a spacious layout with contemporary finishes throughout. The kitchen is the heart of the home. It features stainless steel appliances, a large center island, beautiful lighting, and abundant cabinet space, making meal preparation and entertaining easy. Conveniently located, this home is just minutes from Queen Creek Marketplace, Santan Village, Costco, Target, grocery stores, restaurants, and everyday shopping. Here is the spacious laundry room, with a washer and dryer included for your convenience. Easy access to SR 24, Loop 202, Hunt Highway, and Ironwood Road makes commuting throughout the Southeast Valley simple and convenient. Outdoor recreation is also close by. Enjoy Santan Mountain Regional Park, the Queen Creek Olive Mill, Schnepf Farms, nearby parks, and a variety of local attractions. This beautiful newer home combines modern finishes, a functional layout, and an excellent location in one of the area's fastest-growing communities. So, if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Outside, the backyard is being professionally landscaped and will soon feature low-maintenance artificial turf, creating a comfortable space to relax and enjoy Arizona's beautiful weather. In addition, the front yard will showcase attractive desert landscaping and a paver driveway, offering excellent curb appeal with minimal upkeep. Come see it for yourself. Schedule your tour today.